This is Lumos, a desktop app for creating customizable, natural computer activity in just a few clicks. In this quick overview, I'll show you how to activate the app, complete setup, customize your session, and start running. When you first open Lumos, enter your license key and click Activate. This is the key emailed to you after starting your trial or subscribing through lumous.app. After activation, you'll land on the main dashboard. Your licenses and preferences are saved automatically, so future launches can sign you in and retrieve your preferences. On macOS, Lumos needs accessibility and input monitoring permissions so activity controls and hotkeys can function properly. On your first launch on macOS, a required onboarding dialog will open up, guiding you through each step. It provides buttons to open the correct settings directly and shows you exactly how to grant Lumos the necessary permissions. If you ever need to access this guide again, you can click the Guide button on the Lumos UI. On Windows, there's no such privacy permission flow, and everything should be functional out of the box. The dashboard also shows global shortcuts for start, stop, and emergency stop, so once your settings are configured, you can control Lumos entirely while it is minimized. You can switch between light and dark mode, and Lumos will remember your preference. The main controls let you choose exactly what Lumos can do: mouse movement, mouse clicks, scrolling, tab and application switching, and keyboard activity. For the fastest, most seamless setup, leave advanced mode off and use the activity level slider. Low, medium, and high adjust the selected activity types together. For more control, turn on advanced mode. Now each activity type gets its own intensity setting, including mouse activity, click frequency, scroll intensity, tab and app switch frequency, and keyboard words per minute. Clicks include extra safety controls. If mouse movement is off, Lumos asks whether you want to enable mouse movement, so the mouse can move towards dedicated safe click zones, or if clicking in place is the better choice for you. Click in place is useful if you are sure to move the cursor to a safe location every time before starting a session. Lumos confirms this before enabling it with a dialog. When mouse movement is enabled, clicks can be limited to safe zones. You can use default zones that avoid edges and corners, or configure your own. To create custom safe zones, drag over the areas where clicks are allowed. You can add multiple zones, remove one with a double click, and when you're finished, simply click Done to save. Once safe zones are configured, you can manage them from the dashboard at any time. Keyboard activity has two modes. Silent keys register keyboard activity without typing any visible characters, while character typing enters visible random characters on the screen. When your settings are ready, click Start or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-U. Lumos begins running with your selected behavior and minimizes automatically so Lumos is never visible. Behind the scenes, Lumos always varies timing and activity patterns so sessions feel natural with movement, scrolling, typing, switching, and occasional quieter movements based on your settings. In other words, no two periods of time will ever look the same. When you're done with Lumos, reopen and click End, or use the stop shortcut Ctrl-Shift-K. The emergency stop shortcut is also available whenever you need to shut everything down immediately and force close Lumos. You can do that with Ctrl-Shift-0. Your settings, theme, safe zones, and activity mode are saved, making it effortless to reuse the same setup next time. Lumos is available for Windows and macOS with a 7-day free trial and simple monthly pricing with one plan, all features included. Visit lumous.app to download Lumos and get started today.